Hopefully we have some initiative people here, but disagreeing on this value. Not, we're gonna bounce from here. Very tight open. I mean, you guys are talking about 7 points here. We're gonna have a trend day today.
Yeah, just tell us up or down, it's all good.
Yep, most likely I would say, if we can put in a new low here, we're gonna have a down day. I would expect, that we're gonna have a bounce here at 50 and then 45, 39. And then let's see where the IB is, but I would anticipate that we get 2 or 3 IBX there. If they can clear, I would say 76, there's a high chance we can rip, right? And reverse all of this overnight selling.
Yeah. They rejected yesterday's excess pretty.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
The bottom of it?
Yep.
Yeah. I think here it comes down, but let's see, there's some aggression here. If they get trapped right here, we do get a rocket backwards, so.
Can you put up footprints? Short
Yeah, certainly.
Thank you. Thanks.
I'm gonna alternate screens. So now you guys are seeing, I'll do something here on the right so you guys can see this. So now I don't know which one's which. Oh, there it is. So now you guys are able to see where the delta is. If you're able to clear, let's say the 73.5, they can pump it a little bit, guys. That would mean that these boys are what? We need to make a lower low here, guys. If we don't make a lower low, this is gonna slap them back in the face. And here comes our friends, hopefully with some initiation here. It would be a nasty candle, I would think, 62 and then probably 58.5. A few contracts short, but a little bit higher. I'm playing with fire a little bit. They're gonna come back for stop losses before they do this move. Watch, they can pump it now all the way to here. We just need initiation right here to disagree on this value that we got. So far, the open is 8 points.
Oh. Yo, what's up, shorty?
Hey man.
Are you in anything?
I have a short position, but it's pretty dangerous.
NQ or yes?
I'm on yes. Do you need a new mic?
Who, you?
No, you need a new mic, man. You sound so bad.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's because I'm on my computer mic. That's probably why.
Okay.
Here, hold on. I'll rejoin.
Yeah, I'm gonna trail here in the money by a quarter right now at 71.25. Let's see if they finally do something here. See how we're not making lower lows, but we have a lot of delta coming in at red. So by them not making lower lows here, it's troubling, right? I'm at 69.75 trail now. So either expecting a dump or they're gonna reverse it, man. I don't want to lose money if they decide to Go back up from here. This should be probably selling lower, but let's see.
So if
Pretty
there's red delta like that, shorty, but they aren't making a lower low, you could also take that as absorption in a way.
Exactly. Yeah. That's what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid of the short here because they can find other time frame buyers to literally eat this up now. And all these guys are shorted from 72 to here. And you see the volume dropping here on selling below. So when people don't have interest to sell at lower prices, what do they have to do?
Buy it up to higher prices.
Well, they're willing to sell it at higher prices. Therefore, the ask is where? At the higher.
That makes sense.
Remember, we are in a bracket, guys. We're still in the major bracket here. So that's all I'm gonna say. Does it make sense what I was explaining? So if prices move lower in balanced markets like they are now, volume drops as we get more aggressive what?
Buyers.
Yeah, if you get more aggressive buyers at that value and you have less sellers, what do you get?
Pump.
You get a pump. That's what I was trying to explain. And if you're in a balanced market and you're going higher, what does that mean? You're most likely in the bracket have fewer buyers compared to sellers above fair value area high. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need initiation here. We need them to slice this and forget about it. Like,
Shorty, can you repeat that one more time?
yeah, certainly. So in bracketed markets, right? If the price moves higher above fair value, right, in a balanced market like we're in now, volume will drop as you're going up because you have fewer what?
Buyers.
Yeah, buyers.
Okay.
Right? And you're most likely gonna face a little bit more sellers because people wanna sell above value when you're in balance. Imbalance means that you're just happy with the price. So if you're happy at the price at this point in time and price is now above the value, you're most likely going to find some sellers. And just like now, we talked about this, you're making higher lows, completed auctions. Therefore, it was a risk.
Looks like they want 454 on NQ.
Yeah, there's.
Yeah, they also absorb on NQ at the bottom.
So watch now. This is a big level here. Can they clean this up right here? If they do, that's good. But let's see what they got.
Let's get a rejection at 454 on NQ.
The Bears, of course, are not there. We're still in the bracket. And you see this POC now, massive, right? So if you zoom in here, I'm on 1 minute, guys. So let me go on 5 minutes. Here's 5 minutes, right? The way we were looking, right? So lots of sellers sitting pretty much right here. So if you're able to crack this, what do you expect to see?
Quick little rocket.
A little rocket would be the correct answer. But if we fail to build any price action above this, there's no rockets to the upside.
So on a setup like this, shorty, would you want it to hold for a 5-minute candle above that 72 level, and then
I
you
would
would
say
look for
so,
a retest?
yeah. I think let's go, clean this pour high, go up, and then we look for a bounce here. This needs to become support, meaning that you absorb the sellers. And see what they have in store here.
And would you play a peak above and fail of that too? You could, right?
You could, yeah, but the RR for short is
Not there, no.
I'm thinking to take a short below 71.25. But I'm just being a devil.
Looks like they're absorbing here on NQ, but I still want to
Yeah.
see that 454 level. We're close.
Yeah, same setup, yes, exact.
Yep.
I'm assuming we don't have news today. Is that correct? No.
I don't think there's anything big.
Ooh, there is something big. There's a 17-week auction at 11:30 and a 20-year at 1. And Barkin speaks at noon. Now there's fireworks happening.
At what
Think-
time?
So the auction is at 11:30. Barkin speaks at noon. 20-year at 1 o'clock. That 20-year is going to cause some issues.
20. I might have to come back for that then.
I think this could be here. Massive orders coming in now.
Yeah.
I mean, this is bears. This is their opportunity right now, I think, to auction this lower and send it to levels we haven't seen since last week.
And here, if they don't, then we know they
Yeah.
just want higher, right?
That means a massive absorption here. Other time frame is in, but this is their chance. I got filled.
Looking pretty aggressive on NQ.
Yeah, on the short, on the sell.
Yep, yep.
Again, they bounced perfectly off PD value area low to a penny. Like another completed auction with higher lows. Just FYI, that's bullish.
Yeah, same with NQ. They just wicked the low of the day like perfectly.
So if
I
they
think
lose
here
this
it
auction
goes.
now, I think that you get a little fleshy.
Yep, I think it's
You're
going
gonna
right
see
now.
a bunch of zeros here. If that happens, we would tap this level right here.
Bro, do you have previous day value or low at 434 for NQ
Let me
for-
see.
for volume profile?
430 and 50 cents.
430. Okay, bet.
And there's delta switch between two candles. I mean, negative 1400 delta change. That's big. Bears have a chance. We clean this. I'm looking for longs above 73-ish. But there are some sellers here, hopefully, too.
Yeah, I want to see this little quick flushy. Let's go.
Yeah, me
Mm.
too. But
Are you guys short already?
I got stopped. I took 400 on the scalp, below 71.5. You can get killed if you're shorting here right now.
Yeah, on NQ, I would love to see 454 to get in short.
Would you not be scared that you're shorting the train though, Rockets? Like at that point, like shorting
No.
for
Sell side imbalance right there.
you're just playing a quick scalp then.
From 54, we'll probably get like at least 30 points.
35. Yeah, like, just get a little 20.
Yeah, if we crack this high here of 73, oh man, we can explode. Now we have to lose the 68 here, which is our key level for past 2 weeks.
Wow, they hit that the 82 level from last night that you mentioned earlier, pre-market.
On ES,
Yeah.
I mean, they executed 2 setups for me overnight, so.
Man, I think I need to start waking up earlier. Like being West Coast is kind of because they do execute a lot of stuff like pre-market.
I think Burnside will welcome you to his house.
I don't think so. I don't think you guys would hear from me for a while if I did.
Yeah, the RR is not necessarily for short here at this 68, 60 level. We are at PD value area low, so meaning we're defending, we're accepting lower prices, but we sold off overnight. And our inventory is net short from 90.
Shorty, so like in a moment like this, are you just sitting on hands? Because right now we're not
I
exactly.
just took I took 2 scalps.
Okay, okay. So you just know like the conditions are just for scalps right now.
Well, I mean, I would say there were RRs for long from here.
Mm-hmm.
But seeing the delta being overnight negative 17K, if we can crack this level, I would go along above 73. So I'm looking to see what they're defending here. A peak below this value and reclaim would be a sign to go even quicker along.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just trying to think, like, trying to get your thought processes, like, what type of trade you're in, and
Yep.
Pretty boring right now.
Yeah, they're prepping. A big move's coming here.
Yeah.
I mean, the range is 7 points on yes.
I really want to see them tap 454.
Yeah, 7 points on yes is not very good.
that just means it's a higher chance of them
Breaking out.
breaking it, right?
Yeah. I mean, this is really not tradable at the moment. Majority of action's been 73 to 68, so 5 points majority of the action occurred. There's buyers stepping in.
Shorty, if you want a good laugh, look at the main chat really quick.
Oh, I want a good laugh.
Oh god, what the fuck's that?
The person,
What am I looking at,
the
bro?
person with this chart is charging $1,200 a month for Discord.
Okay, my price is going to 3 grand a month. What is that? Oh
Dude,
my
I didn't even...
What
what
the
am I
fuck?
looking at?
Oh, man.
That is fucking crazy, man. Guys, they might pump this here. They're obviously bears are not around. Let's see if they can clear 73 here.
Oh, they just tapped a sell side imbalance on NQ 448. Got a completed auction.
Yes, felt that one.
Yep. But the bigger sell side imbalance is at 454.
Oh, wow. Instantly, Drew.
Yeah.
20.
Those are good on NQ. I missed that on NQ though. Those are usually good 10, 15 points.
And just the quickies. The quick little 1 minute, 20 points. Those are the best.
I just feel like a grandpa with DS.
Oh, and Shorty, that dude had a 100% win rate until I called him out on it, and then suddenly he started showing losses.
Is that Keenan's Discord?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sorry. Yeah, that would give me a seizure right there, whatever that is. Like, wow, what the fuck is that?
Sorry, Paco. Oh, here we go. Come on, 454. Moan, do it.
No, man, they got to clear 73 on ES. 73 and a half has to be cleared. If they do, you get a nice little pump.
No, I'm
But
there's a sell side imbalance at 454 on NQ,
ES has one right here.
which would be just below your 453 or whatever you're asking for there.
You want to see how schools make money from kids? Like you called that guy in the Discord, I called out a principal in my son's school. They
Yeah.
have a book fair today, and you can send some kind of website where you make a payment for 25, 50, 75, $100. The book prices are $12.99 or $15.99. Do you guys see any issue with that?
I mean,
You said
based on,
$25, right?
yeah, based on what you're saying, you could never spend all of your money.
And that money stays on these cool balances on some gift card program that they have. And let's say you buy one book, $12.99 plus tax, 6%. What is that? Like 6 times 13, 84 cents. You never can buy 2 books for $25.
Yep.
Oh, I said, why don't you guys arrange where what you're uploading and letting us custom versus you guys keeping the fund? It's almost like a Starbucks gift card. You become a bank. She acknowledged that it's a good suggestion. But what they do is they buy a bunch of crap plastic toys and they charge kids $2, $3 to fill in the gap. That is pretty fucked up. All right, boys, come on already. Just send it. I know you guys want it below. There we go.
Pretty nice sell off on NQ from like 451 level.
We should be fucking going lower here. Come on.
Just shy of what I was looking for, rat bastards. They're buying it here on NQ.
ES looks a little weaker now than the previous candles. The volume shifted towards lower end, but let's see.
Oh, come on.
This is their chance now, guys. Big candle here if we crack this.
Oh, come on. Let's see
Lead
a
it
bunch
up.
of zeros.
Yeah.
Come on. So close.
Boom.
There it is.
Watch out for reclaim. Watch out for reclaim. It
That
could be a
was-
nice little trap.
Quick.
A reclaim of this level 70 is big for the bulls right now.
So, Nacho's Pop Shop.
There's some absorption, so let's see if they clear 70 or we continue
I'm
down.
probably going to be talking over Shorty,
Aha.
but whatever.
What's this now?
The
Chance. Fuck
what's it
people up
called?
here.
For the
Losing
Discord, if you
68
join
is
on the
not
20th
good
of the
for
month,
bears right here.
you'll get charged on the 20th, and then you'll get
sorry, for
charged
the
again on
bulls.
the 1st. But the charge on the 1st will be refunded.
Over 70 we can.
But it takes
go
about a
back up.
5-day processing period through Patreon.
Let's see.
So basically, you get 10 days for free. If you can't afford to be charged twice in a 10-day period, then join on the 1st of the month.
Absorption is happening here, guys. You see the delta?
Yeah.
Does everybody understand what I'm pointing to when I say it? You see the delta, or are you guys not following?
From 58 to negative 370.
But also the max min delta on this candle was negative 811. Right now it's 370. That means there's absorption also happening here.
Oh, come on, do it. Go lower.
It's their chance right now.
They might want 382 on NQ. Come on. Let's go. Nice and quick, 382.
No, they're gonna piss people off here. I'm telling you. I don't think
buy there.
I don't think they want to break this. Oh my god! But it looks compressed P lowercase b as of right now. But that's just way early. 30 minutes in, we got the orbs.
You know you want it. 382.
Yeah.
Oh, stop bouncing there.
They're absorbing decently. Just be careful. They gotta lose 68. Ideally, you want them to lose 66, 75. What I mentioned earlier, where they can bounce. You gotta lose that.
Yeah, they're absorbing here on NQ as well.
There's gonna be a large order that breaks this fight right here, the tug of war, and it probably won't catch it. But if they clear 70 here on ES, they can pump to 76. But
Oh, let's go.
as yesterday, this just looked like it needed to go down first.
Let's go. There's
Boom, there it
382.
goes. Let's go.
Yeah.
Now they need to continue
Finally.
down to fucking 50. Go. Stop. They gotta tap this right here. This is the level that we were looking for. 60 needs to be tapped.
Woohoo.
Nice. Where are you short from, Drew?
Oh no! I was done. I've been done trading. I'm just
Oh,
calling
okay.
out levels.
Oh, okay, but yeah, me too. I wanted to short it, but I'm like, oh, I'm done. Don't want to
I
break
got
my
full on
balls.
stop sell on 67.75, but
You're long?
no.
No.
On
Sorry.
short.
Never mind. I see it now.
Yeah, we should be going to the previous day low here on this level identified, but let's see. They're gonna make sure you're not in the position before they do that. Alright, Bears. Do not fuck this up. You have a really good chance right now. Come on, this is it. It should be a fucking flush to 50, you fucking assholes. You're supposed to do it yesterday.
Tell us how
Alright.
you really feel, Shorty.
Dude, I was up almost 3 grand. I ended up negative yesterday.
No, I know. I saw. And it's probably like your first red day in 6 months.
Well, I've had red days, but I was up nicely, dude. And that mindset of like, you know, stupidity, but I would take the same setups over. That's the crazy part.
That's awesome, dude. That like it just doesn't even affect you at all. Like anybody else, most people like they go up 3K to red, like everything's gone from that point.
Oh, I can't take like that, man. Because the next day, the 3 little guys are like, man, Dad, we're hungry. And I'm not gonna say, hey, man, I had a red day yesterday. I can't get you
I
money
can't
today.
can't put food on the table because of one red day.
So that day is over. It doesn't really impact me that much. They're going here at 60. I got back in.
Come on, dump it. NQ, dump.
Drew, are you on Apex? Or are you on Top Step?
Top step.
Top Step. Did you
Yeah,
see that Apex, Drew?
it sounds like Apex fixed a lot of their crap.
Boom!
Yeah, they did. Oh
Fucking
wow.
assholes. Let's go.
Alright, there you
Too
go.
easy.
Alright,
Too
guys.
easy.
Give me 58.5. 58.5 would be good. And you see where they bounced. So
Yep.
now if they can reclaim
For
this,
the
good.
done for the day. Thank you guys.
Very nice. If
They
they
want
lose this level,
lower.
guys, yeah, we're going 50. Hopefully, assholes. Come on. How's my Apple doing? I think I'm in the put still. Yep, my Apple's doing well. Not a dump, but so if they can reclaim this level at 62.25, of course they can bounce again all the way, push it back up to take out the last piece of weak shorts, and then maybe they make lower low, right? And right now we have a B period extension with massive single prints to 67, access high at the top at 71. So if they
If they
reclaim
push
previous
back,
day
if they
low, I'm watching for 63 to be reclaimed, and that could be a decent long, right?
if
You
they
see the
push back
volume is
up,
dying here for now.
sorry,
Yep, I'm trying to explain this, so yeah.
Shorty, if they push back up, they'll take out
My dog is starting to cry. She wants to
70,
go on her walk. So
75, right?
thank you, Shorty, for going live.
Yep. So, Cuban what?
I was saying if they go back up, like you said, they'll take out 75, right? 76.
I would think they're gonna go to 70 first here. They're stuck at PDL and value area low right now, so if they're just
Yeah.
reclaiming. Yep.
Okay, gotcha.
Yep. But now if they lose PDL 62.25, that becomes a decent short. But you see the pump. They're gonna push this all the way a little bit higher.
Yeah, looks like that.
And
All right, guys, time to go log, and have a good day, everyone. Thank you.
all right, have a good one, man. Bye-bye.
The
You
timber
too.
value area high on NQ has been so huge for the last like 3 weeks or something. Crazy.
They absorbed pretty well here, guys, off of this major level. They absorbed pretty nice. Apple is trying to make higher highs too, so see, they made a higher low. And you see where the selling pretty much, aggressive selling stopped here at 63. And then this was just a magnet to fill the orders on the bottom. And you see the bid side's a little bit thick here on the bottom. And probably not bad to fib this out right now and see where your fibs are. 67 to 68, that's kind of what I was talking about, right? This area here as we enter would be potentially pivotal for a short. And that would be also developing POC at 67.5. If we lose this level right now at 64, I would think we're gonna put in potentially a new lower low, but let's see. They're trying to defend it. Apple's trying to push, so I would expect us to push here as well.
Yeah, NQ's pushing up pretty good here. They just rejected off the sell side imbalance that was created on that big selling candle. Like 10 minutes
NQ's
ago.
at a really support, guys. NQ's at a decent support of 345 here. Yeah, very good support.
There it goes.
So here's, you're watching right now to see how do we behave at 68 right here. This is a big, big level. First instinct is a short right here. I'm looking to see if our friends agree or not agree. Why is the instinct to short here? Hello? Right here. Why?
All those stacked POCs on those candles? Oh,
What about this? I just drew the fibs from the high to the low, and look where we rejected, right on 50%. You have developing POCs there. This was your axis that you extended the B session in, right here. So now, you had this agreement on value that was here. So why is this a decent level to take a short? Well, if you take a short here, what's your stop loss? What's your plan? Let's say you took this. Where's your
Right
value?
above PVL.
So if you take this, not a good trade. So you're probably looking somewhere around here if you take this trade. This is the trade I would take. Oh, actually I took. Does it make sense or?
yes.
So now if we can clean this up, if we lose this level right here, 64, pretty sure we have a high odds of going 62. That's where we get a little bit of action. This should be the bear's dream right now, is that they cannot reclaim 68. You guys remember why 68, correct? All of you?
Yes.
Yeah, previous day value low.
And
Previous week high.
And CPAC and a bunch
previous week high, correct? That's the important part. Yeah, it looks like we might be breaking the 64. Let's see what they have in store.
Are you still looking for 50s or no?
Yeah. But
I've got balance SIG at 53.25.
yeah, I mean, close enough if that's. I would be catching almost 18 points here. So this is my plan. I'm in the trade right now, guys. We need to lose this where we're bouncing right now. Some absorption, but not necessarily the best.
NQ's really green delta pushing up.
Yeah.
Yep.
I got my chart. Yeah, the NQ is at a really big support level. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, we are below yesterday's open too. So on NQ, that's not very good. Well, let's see what they have.
Looks like they just rejected pretty hard, right around 400.
Mm-hmm. I just turned it on because you keep mentioning it. I mean, PDL is 368.25-ish there, so. Okay, I'm gonna trail here.
Oh, there, yeah. NQ's pushing up now.
Yeah, I'm giving them 67.5.
Rejected again.
All right, this is looking good. Beautiful. Thank you, fellas. You guys are the best. Break the PDL, please. So NQ breaks PDL, ES breaks PDL, and we get a flush. 368.75 or 62.25. I'm up $500 on this trade, but I kind of want more.
Got to pay for that charter plane, man.
They were not in the private, they were in first class, but they're not in a private jet. But she just said he spent 2 hours with the pilot, so.
He's so cute, nobody can refuse him.
Oh, he's a devil. There's nothing cute there. It's just. So the 3-year-old broke one of my wife's, like, I don't even know what the hell this is. It's a candle warmer. Well, the 3-year-old found the super glue and taped the pieces, and I should take a picture of how he taped it back. You can definitely tell it was broken. And he's pretty sneaky. And it should be a down candle in ES right here. Hopefully they don't absorb here. This is where the aggression stopped, you guys remember. So now we just need to continue right below here, which would be close to the PDL. We need a large order to come in and, you know, say, hey, we are going below previous day low. I'm just trailing 65.5 now, FYI. Boys, come on, do something useful. We are current developing value area low right next to PDL.
Got a lot of sell side imbalance. It looks like big orders. You think if they don't push it lower here, we're gonna have a short cover rally?
Yeah, but yeah, ideally we want it over, you know, to get over this, we want 70 to be cleared on the upside to be reclaimed. That would be your PD value area low as well.
Yeah, that's about where those big orders are stacked at too.
That's correct, but it looks like we should be going here to the low side. Here's PDL tap on ES. NQ is not there yet, so let's see if NQ wants to catch up. I'm up nicely here over $1,000 now. Okay, well, NQ is still holding that through. You see it? Okay, there it goes.
Yeah, it's weird.
That was a weird level there. Stock should be causing a price down on ES right here to go below 58. Did anyone
NQ
take
needs to
short
dump
on that?
here.
And I took short, or you guys were not in alignment? Maybe not. Okay.
Yeah, I'm short at 67.
Oh, nice. You got a better entry than me. Just need them to really lose that PDL and stay below it. Because NQ can now drop 10, 12 points from here quickly. That will cause ES to hit 58.5. There it goes. Whee! Got my money back from yesterday and then some.
Die.
It's about to die to 50, you fucking dickheads. You took my money on this setup yesterday 4 times. There's the October value area low, 58.50. So we're aware of that level, that there can be a bounce. Does everybody understand what I'm talking about right here? Okay, I'm out completely for $1,600. So now we're retesting PDL from the bottom. So this is important that they don't reclaim right now, which is also value area low at 62.5. Everybody on the same page, or? So they should not reclaim 63 now here. This level right here, they should not be reclaiming this if we want down more. As of right now, that would mean the B period that's about to close in 10 minutes is what?
Accept it.
Well, it would be the extension, and it would be an aggressive down extension. So if they reclaim 68, we would make new all-time highs today or tomorrow. So we don't want them to do that. That bounce on, holy crap, on 368 from NQ was 30 fucking points, dude. Wow.
Yes, it was.
Fucking insane. I think I should go back to NQ at least one day a week.
Come back to the dark side.
That was fucking nutty, man. They swept it and just popped. That's pretty big. If anyone took the PDL retest, you're targeting 50. Your stop loss should have been 60, 66, maybe 3/4. And what kind of trade would that be? What I'm talking about, if let's say you took a trade from here and you, let's say, put stop loss here, is this a good trade?
Yes, 2-1.
Yeah, it's almost
3 to
2.61. So you guys would be okay with that trade as well. Does that make sense? Or I don't know if I'm walking beyond y'all.
It makes sense.
Apple should lose 234, and that should bring the market down.
Really big order on NQ at 383.
Yeah, they're trying to defend this, but
Looks like
Yeah,
about
they got-
100 contracts.
dude, that price action on Apple's pretty nasty though. To me, it looks like we want a little bit more lower, but let's see.
It looks like most of that order was on the ask side.
Yeah,
Well,
well,
if you're below it, that would not be good.
We're
Somebody's
above.
fucking- We're above.
Just barely, yeah.
It looks like there could be some trap shorts down here at the bottom of this candle too.
Yeah, the problem is that we didn't extend too much from this aggression, right? So it's very shitty price action. We should have made lower lows here more than 59 by now.
They just bounced at 383 again.
I think we should be going lower here, guys.
Now we're
Let's see.
below it.
Should be slicing to 50 here. Come on. We just need Burnside people to sell soon.
oh, I'm selling, mate.
I tell your other friends there.
I don't have any friends. That's why I'm here.
I can't wait to fuck with Nasty today when they get 7 goals from Bayern Munich. Oof.
You know, I saw Real scored 5 in the second half.
Oh my god, dude. You know how many friends messaged me fucking being assholes about the game?
I almost did.
Oh, dude, that one guy that's a diehard Borussia Dortmund fan, he's stopped by my house honking at halftime. He's like 5 minutes away from me.
Did you after the final whistle? Did you go around there?
Oh yeah, I left a jersey Real Madrid on his front doors, so he can keep it. I gave him a purple jersey of Real Madrid. All right, boys, come on. You've had enough fun. We are at the PDL for NQ though. We just need to lose that October 16th value area low. And we did not lose that. I don't see how they sustain this. This does not make sense. They should be going lower here. Look at these sellers that are coming in at the high candle here. Ooh. Come on, Bears. One more. Gotta lose 58.5 now. And then we have 53 incoming super fast. Here, come on, boys. We're making higher lows. We gotta clean this up on 58. Come on. Above 63 would be a decent.
If they tap 383 right here on NQ, it's probably a good short. There it is.
I think ES has a little bit more room here. Let's see. Yep. This is their last minute B candle here. So this is again PDL, guys. Should be rejecting here. If you want to meet any prices lower, they cannot reclaim this right here at 64.5. Over PDL, we go 68. So let's see. Look at the buyers, they're just up 10.
That's crazy. I'm surprised that dude didn't defend at 383. Big
Losing
orders on the
PDL
ask
here.
there on NQ.
Oh, they can get
Right at
smacked
400.
here. They just lose this PDL. This can be a smackdown. You guys are so fucking weak. Bunch of retards. This would be the level to stab a short if you missed it, but either this or you wait for 68, 67 area.
From here, NQ should probably go to like 16, 416.
I mean, look at the delta, guys. This is fucking insane. Right out of here. Came back to the extreme here of 67. And let's see if I can take a short here. Delta's strong though, very strong.
There's 416.
We're back to 50% so far of the initial drop retracement. Here's the key level of 68. Let's watch here for potential short.
Same on
Delta.
NQ.
massive fucking green here. They need sellers. Oh, there's a seller.
Yep.
Let's see what they do. They cannot reclaim that guy 70 on ES. I took a short here.
Yep. Short on NQ here as well.
And at 68.
Oh, nice. You're better than me. Nice. Bears really have to fucking defend this, otherwise it could be a rocket, guys, above 70. That's the value area low. Previous week low. I mean, this could fucking bite them back in the face like crazy. They don't defend
Big
this.
ask on the NQ here.
Oh yeah, let's see what they do.
100 order at 425.
I'm at 73.25 right now. Stop loss, just FYI.
Dump it.
Is anyone short? No? No. Should be going lower here.
Yeah, I took one short.
We're at the POC on the bottom distribution.
Come on, dump it.
Yeah, we do not want them to go back above this double stack of POCs here too much. Why can't they be nice?
Yeah, this is weird. The ask is massive on NQ right here. Massive.
This is a big level on NQ, dude.
This should be a short right here.
Yeah, this is, I would say 425.75 is your short.
Yep. That is the amount of orders coming in on the ask on NQ is insane.
Yeah, there's a lot coming in here as well on ES, so.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Just completed auction at the top. Delta, wow. So green.
I would short this on NQ, but
yep.
Yeah, you have
ask
to give
is
them
getting
15
even
points.
bigger at 426.
You have to give them some points on this.
Do it, dump it.
How's our ATR today on this? 44 points. Yeah, your stop loss has to be 15 plus.
I think they're going to push just a little bit higher before they drop.
I mean, NQ is not far from the open, guys, at all. NQ is much stronger here for the day than ES at the moment. Let me see, where's this fucking candle? Looking for the POC on NQ is right here, man. I don't want to short NQ. Like 15 points stop loss. Let's see what they do. So now if they lose that 29-ish on NQ, it would be fun.
they're absorbing here.
That's the big level, guys, on ES. I mean, we are at that delta that we talked about. That bears better show up here. Otherwise, we're running this a little bit higher.
They might even want 448 on NQ. Yeah, here it comes.
Yeah, 452 is next. Man, let's see what NQ does here. I think ES NQ could really take a beating here, man. If we lose that level. Wow, ES reclaimed the fucking value. They bounced from October 16th value to 58. Yeah, they could smack this higher again now. I just want NQ to lose 425. That's all I'm looking here.
And what did you have your 8-day SIG2 at, Shorty?
On ES?
Yeah.
SIG2 was at 56.
Okay.
And a half. What about you?
Yeah, I had 56.75, but I just didn't know if I didn't know if I was off because if we bounced there at 58 and it thought maybe we bounced from it too.
On ETH, we tapped it perfectly. Here, I'll mark it.
Dump it.
See that? We basically tapped it right here. That was a SIG2 on 8 days. Come on, boys. Give us 15. They're holding that PD value area low. NQ is very close.
Yep.
If they're gonna sell it, they have to come in pretty much here and not make another higher high. Because think about the supply that you have here, right? So you're trading here. This is where imbalance started. So now if I just focus on this right here, look where we are in terms of volume.
There we go.
And there it goes.
Let's go.
It should be going lower here. We should lose 418 on NQ, and that should be a good confirmation for lower. Yeah, ES has a lot of overhead here. It would take some massive orders right now to flip the script, guys. Here, if they flip it, we're gonna rock it.
Oh.
They're teasing.
Yeah, I want to see it flush here.
I mean, if you're taking ES short, guys, you're risking 4 points for a pretty good return.
There we go.
I took NQ short.
Come on, baby. Oh, Shorty's back on the crack.
It's fucking killing me catching 4 points on ES. But I'm short both, of course. So yes, still short. I just want to see the little bit of faster movement. Let's see what they do here. We don't want them about 440 on NQ. This is a massive shelf, guys. They need some massive volume here to move this on ES.
The break above?
Yeah, they would need some fucking massive orders coming in here. Like you would feel it shake here.
Come on, NQ, dump this. Where's Dirty?
Where's your stop at on ES?
It's 73 and a quarter.
We need Dirty in here. Go down.
No, we're alright.
Burnside.
Man, they're chewing through it. The volume slowed down here a little bit between these two. Yes, trying to fucking go here. Come on. Get out of there. See what they do now. And fucking got too many contracts on NQ here. Fuck y'all. Burnside in. Fucking Drew. Your NQ shit.
What did I do?
I just.
I'm just sitting over here being cute.
I mean, just the way the thing moves, like a fucking heart attack every 15 seconds. Come on, boys, lose that fucking 29, that 24.
Come on, just slice already. I hate it when it's...
ES should be going lower here, especially if they lose 68 here. It would speed up the process a little bit, but they have a little bit of buying that happened here, guys.
Yeah, but they need to just do something.
Well, they did. They gave us decent opportunities earlier. Now they're just like, hey, we're gonna buy here. We're at the POC on NQ for the day, so they can play some games here. And this, if they don't fucking sell it here, where the fuck are y'all selling it? So short. Well, NQ, just lose 25.75, please.
That would be beautiful.
Yeah, that'd be fucking nice, right? I'm wondering if ES wants to sweep 73.5. It should be fucking wild again. Back to the IB high. And it looks like they're getting some buyers again here from fucking Europe. There's a big shelf here on Delta, so they need to sell here. Otherwise, if we lose this Delta right here shelf, we can pump, guys. But maybe our boys are listening this today and they're gonna send a lower here and NQ below 25.
Miss Izzy, the baby's doing great. Thanks for asking.
Oh,
Fire.
God. Is
I don't
it?
know what you're
Oh,
asking
yeah.
as far as what's my next
We'll
move.
slice through the PD value low on ES. NQ
Are you saying like
25.75.
trading today right now? And I
We should
appreciate
be
the
good.
compliment. Thank you. Go slice NQ. Oh, they regained 870 on ES.
Yep. Big level.
That's crappy.
Yeah. 73 is my critical right now. For ES.
I think that puts us right back at that 448 sell side imbalance on NQ.
No buyers, don't fuck up here. We're getting some momentum buyers right here on ES.
Here's 448 on NQ.
Wondering if they peak about 452 on NQ here. Looks like ES, they want to push one more higher at 73.
There's another sell side imbalance at 454 on NQ as well.
That's the one I want. Right now. The C period's going obviously above B here, but let's see, where's that axis? This is a big level on NQ, guys. See. I mean, that candle has zero fucking volume in NQ.
That's pretty boring. Oh, dump it. Dump it, dump it, dump it.
Hold on one second, guys. My wife's calling.
There's some big orders that just came in.
Sorry, guys. Wife checking in. I got filled 53 short, but I already closed on NQ. It's just bananas now. They fucking run through this. They rejected the value lower, so October 16th value area low was a good bounce, and they reclaimed PD value area low, so I can't be necessarily bearish right here, right now.
Whoa, what was that?
Let's see if they lose this right here, you know, the 70 level or PD value area low. As of right now, they are agreeing on value between 73 and 68 on short term.
Oh, is that a news candle?
I think there's coming at 11, if I'm not mistaken. 10:30 was some news, but not much. Just oil. Gotta lose this PD value area low. Yes, is at an important level, right? PD value area low, previous week value area low. So they can defend this now, that would be good. If we reject it here, what is the market then telling you? You guys following?
No value higher.
They're most likely gonna seek buyers lower. So we gotta lose now 67, 75, and or 68, and we should be good on the bear side. Bullish side, you wanna hold this. Beautiful.
And
We need
gold's
more volume.
dumping.
Gold is dumping?
Yeah.
Hmm. After making fucking all-time highs, past. Big spot, guys. Look, 68 to a penny. And this is where we need moment of truth, right? For ES. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go.
Damn, Bowen can't catch a break. Holy
Oh,
shit.
is it dumping?
Yeah.
Is it below 100?
It's at 154.
Oh, yeah.
I think one of their satellites blew up day before yesterday or yesterday.
Is anyone short, guys, or
Very.
very?
Yeah, I've been short.
Yeah, same here. Oh, 65. You lose this. Say yes, you're gonna die. Come on.
There's your
The wife is
25 on
away.
NQ.
Yep, we need to lose that on NQ right here. 25 would be our dream come true right now, and then confirmation happens in 1925. They're gonna seek lower prices. We need ES to lose 65. Beautiful. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See ya. What did we tap? 1925 for a moment. You saw that? Oh, I'm sorry, 1825. The level I had. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God, NQ. God, I'm up almost $2,500 in NQ. Oh my God, I love NQ. I know. I need to go back to you guys.
Are you still targeting 50?
On ES, yeah. You gotta love NQ, man. In split seconds, too great.
Too many dopamine hits for me. NQ. Still,
Huh?
I'm still too new for NQ.
No, I'm. When I say I hate trading it because it's fucking wild, and
You
that means
love it. You love it.
I love it, but it's fucking insane too, man. Is anyone still short? I'm out here. Thank you. $2,000.
All out, mate.
Yeah, I took that. But ES should offer lower, guys. Here, look at the delta. Look at the volume. Somebody's saying enough is enough. I don't like this value. I want lower.
I'm trailing at 66 on ES.
No, that's too close. What was your
Too
entry?
close?
What was your entry?
My entry's at 71.
No, I would be willing to lose that. No, man, move that. I'm not gonna tell you. I would move that trailing a little bit back.
Move it back?
Yeah.
Copy.
Target
Wow.
and enjoy your profits. This is about to be another giant fucking candle. Let's go. PDL on ES. We have ways to go on NQ, right? I have 368.75. Burnside, what do you have?
PDL is 361 and a quarter.
Okay. Now why did I have 368? ETH for you or? I have 368.9 on NQ. Are you on Z or, I mean, what are you on?
I'm on the generic. I'm just looking at that candle came in at 9 o'clock Eastern yesterday morning.
Okay,
Anyway.
big spot here, big spot here. ES wants to sell from here. You do not want to, there's that 1825 on NQ. You can take a wild guess where I had the limit sell. And 400 on this one on NQ. Golly, NQ just moves. 500 on NQ here. 700, God, dude, this is just insane. Takes me 46 minutes to fucking catch this on ES. Oh, boys, come on. Please fucking slice 58. Let's go. Oh, please. I just want NQ to proceed now. They cannot reclaim 405. If they do, they catch a bounce. Let's say 408 on NQ. Well, I just see more blood coming, but that's just me here. Maybe I'm being too pessimistic here. That volume here is, I mean, think about it, 22,000 contracts exchanged at the top. We talked about the bracket movement and as you reach higher prices, what happens? I think they go to that PDL from here, Bernie. Like, high chance they go now.
Yeah, I got back in short for 418.
Yeah, I was 16 quarter. We don't want them about 408. This is their opportunity to proceed more now on NQ, but let's see what they have in store.
If they started buying a real lot right now, you think it might could trigger a sell-off?
If they could what?
A lot of buying, like market buys right now. Could it trigger a sell-off?
I mean, I think that the buying that triggered it was at the top here. Where they had the short-term traders coming in and buy right here at 71. So they're
Yeah, but
messing with those guys now.
we need
Market
something
buys here
lower.
would be an absorption. We're going to 369 on the NQ, and I don't see a reason why they would not. Let me see what's another level here. Just give 1 second. So 387.75 should be a bounce on
Yeah,
NQ.
there's some imbalances coming up.
Yeah, so if they lose that, then man, they're gonna slice to that PDL. And ES is holding PDL here right now. Would be nice if NQ decided to treat us with a retest. This is where we bounced from earlier on ES, so let's see what they do. Watch out for NQ right here at 388.25. There's 388.25. Boom, slice. Reclaim that. That's they can bounce it from there. Yep. I closed that burn side. One NQ.
Yeah, I had to buy at 389.
Oh, I just closed. But now if you lose 388, I think we hit 369 to 360 here. ES looks weaker than. I think we should be auctioning. There's a massive completion here on ES. Right off that key level. So higher lows, completed auction. Not your spot, short right now. Should have been short. 70s. NQ is dancing with fire here. We're at the POC from this morning, like 10 to like 10:28, where we had that consolidation. So if they can't agree on this 387 being fair price right now, then they're gonna go lower. If they defend 387.70, or I'm sorry, 388.25, then I would say most likely they're gonna go to 404 from here, over 404, 18, and then ultimately the target would be 428. Losing 388 is a quick drop to 369. But they're doing everything to actually bounce right here, so. I still don't want them over 405 level on NQ. You want them to be below it.
I need to know what my copay is for an X-ray.
Might. Not there.
Probably $15 with Kaiser, right? Platinum.
I don't know.
That's what it was back in the DZ. They probably increased the price by now.
They reclaimed, this is a big level here on NQ, man.
Yeah, I was
Most
trailing.
likely going 418. I mean, holding that 388 is big. They're headed to 428.25 now. Losing 404 is not bad again to attempt a short. Watch them fade this now all the way up again. 70 on ES. Really think NQ should be selling off from here now.
Not yet, please.
There's 1825. It's a big level lower that 28. That's where I'm looking to potentially short NQ, but this is a big level right here. I'll short this. Oh, come on, you little shit. Lewis 404, please. Oh, come on.
We got Shorty back on the crack.
Yep, I took that fucking almost high right there on that. Oh, there you go.
That's Shorty on NQ?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Back to the dark side.
I had to take it. Oh man, did you see what we hit, guys? Oh my god. I called out levels over 404, 1825. Look what we tapped.
Yep.
What a fucking short. I mean, to make $500 in NQ on a trade like this in what, 15 seconds?
Man.
Sure, this is 2 weeks for you.
Huh?
This is the 2 weeks. I said this is the 2 weeks you can go woo, yeah, woo, and
What do you
not
mean?
have to spend anything on target.
Oh yeah. Well, trust me. Yeah.
Switzerland's not cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, that I know.
Yeah, Switzerland's not really cheap, and where she is in the area, Como, Italy's right next by, and they do have some nice stores. So.
Oh Christ.
Yeah. We went last time when I was there, and holy fuck, dude, it was the biggest mistake of my life. I mean, they put all the designer stores next to each other. Have you been to the Bahnhofstrasse in Zurich?
Oh yeah. I worked in Zurich for 2 years.
Oh, dude, that fucking street, man. If you guys wonder how expensive that place is, I parked for 2 hours and it was 115 francs. So about 100 plus dollars. I don't know where franc is right now, but 2 hours, $100 parking.
So
Wow.
free I unmuted you, but really there's just no reason for anybody to not have push to talk turned on. Except for maybe myself and Shorty.
Alright guys, this is a moment of truth now. We lose 58 here, this extension. What I explained earlier when ES is playing out, right? We said that this is where they try to build value, right? They crack inside, we're looking for short below here. And now they're most likely gonna go, I wouldn't be shocked if they tap in like this area right now here. And there's our PDL, I guess, not yet, I'm sorry, 388 level on NQ. So below it, we're targeting this one, and then the zone is right here. If there are some kind of friends, they should execute it. Oh, come on, boys. This is your level on NQ. Right here. Get out of here. Stop with the stop loss hunt on NQ. I need lower here. Is it? Let's closing 30 for Europe.
My bad. Just real quick, can I see what you're looking at on NQ again? I just want to verify some stuff.
Sure. Yeah. So on NQ, when you look at this volume profile from the bottom, where they accumulated earlier, right? You see we had a decent accumulation here. And what I did, I drew the POC and now I shifted up and now we dipped below it. I mean, somebody potentially was selling higher unless they reclaimed this 397. So I'm looking to see if they consider this a fair price now. And you see how they're bouncing off of it. they're saying, hey, there's buyers, right? We want to buy it at this fair price of the bottom. So now if we lose this level right here, that they're most likely going to target, you know, all the way bottom at 362. Because then they're going to say, well, we don't think this is a fair price. We want to test the opposite extreme and see if we can find buyers here. If they fail here, then, you know, you have the IBL, and then I don't have necessarily levels for NQ, but you would look for the weeklies or whatever is below an NQ. But you see how they're routing this POC.
Yeah.
The only people that like this behavior right here, do you guys know who? Who likes this price action?
Market
Dealers.
makers.
Probably
Dealers.
dealers.
Yeah, dealers. They make tons of money while this happens. They
Alright.
they enjoy money when there's volume because it's transactional.
Oh, dump it in Q. Go.
Look at the dump.
It's
Yeah,
going
okay.
36.
I just wanted to know why. I'm still learning.
No, it's a
I mean,
you guys should ask questions, right? I mean, I can't ask it for you. The better questions
true.
you ask, the more you're most likely gonna learn.
I was already done for today, so I just wanted to learn as much as I can right now.
Here's the
I
crack.
wanted-
You assholes better give me fucking 50 today.
Go do it. Dump.
I just need my charts. And here's 369 incoming on NQ. If anyone took that short on NQ at like 18, that was gold. Okay, I'm out here. This is the current developing value area low at 380, so I'm not gonna fight these people. But ES wants lower. ES wants lower. So we are extending down in D period right now, and 50 is incoming. Sure, guys, please keep buying. Keep buying. Oh, it's right here.
Dump it.
Keep buying. Please keep buying here, you assholes. We did it
We
yesterday.
we love a good dump.
Keep buying, please. Keep buying, assholes. Keep buying.
Oh, I forgot I bought a spy put at the beginning of the day. Wow, that's nice.
Well, there's money on the floor left for you. And here's the level I just talked about on NQ. This was the level that I mentioned. And that's kind of what we tapped. But now we lose that. We said we have IBL, right? But now we're watching for this. We still have a little bit to go on both sides. ES has a little bit to go. NQ has a little bit to go, and that'll be nice. So watch for the sweep of this prior week low here.
352 NQ.
Oh, yeah. Should be happening here along with the ES hitting 50.
Question: can we still use SIGs for futures as well?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I don't know how accurate my SIG levels are.
We can go over. Just close this trade.
Yeah, do what you gotta do. Because for some, I have like my second SIG at like 358.
It
Come
just
on,
depends if
352.
you're extending or not. That should be going here lower right now. Should be a quickie. Come on, there we
Boom.
are. Okay, I'm all done, guys.
Boom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I held for 20 points on ES.
Oh my god.
You fucking dickheads. Let's go.
23 bounce. If not, we're going to previously value low.
45.5 about to be tapped on ES.
Oh my god, that's a beautiful.
Big
That's
ass
just
kick on
beautiful.
NQ.
All out. I'm all out, guys. I'm done.
That is fucking beautiful.
And this is for yesterday, what they did to me, dude.
Are they trying to go to 307?
I can tell you in a second, but I know ES has 45.5 now, and they're going to 45.5.
307 NQ.
I have my previously value low on NQ at 296. I'll be surprised if it reaches there.
Where did I say I was gonna sell these Apple puts? Do you guys remember? Was it like 230%? Let's see where we are. We are.
Massive candle on Apple.
Yeah, they're going much lower, man. They're going much lower on Apple. I just want to make $1,000 on this little shit.
Stop loss.
I bought the new phone and it heats up.
I bought a new phone. I don't have any issues, but I don't use phone that much.
I'm on my phone 24/7. That's where I have to trade from.
Damn. 161%.
On what?
On the SPY put.
I'm up 20% on Apple puts.
Nice.
Here's a retest of 50, guys. This is fucking big. Look at the screen here. This is massive. Aggression selling at the level you needed it. They should not reclaim this 52. You take this short, you can drive it, but this is a dangerous level for a short at prior week low. It's not something you want to fuck around with, but the candle at 11.13 gives you confidence to do that. But I would say give them time to hit 53.75 to 53.5. And the reason why is that level. So look at, what they're creating here in terms of the candles. Like this little gap right here, I would watch, see what they do right here. But this is a big level to short. You could short here, put a stop loss slightly above, or be patient, trigger this, and see what they do. I caught a lot of points, Burnside on NQ. Probably the most I've caught. Not in one trade, but multiple trades, dude.
Mate, I was short at 412. Rode it all the way down.
16.25.
90 points.
I'm up nicely today, dude. Very nice day. Yeah, so this is where I size down and I don't trade with size. I minimize what I'm trading. And you see this aggression, guys, on footprints right here. Right here. And we have a poor low, so 45 should be tapped at some point. We just gotta find a good entry right now. If you're taking this short right here, you can put a stop loss, I would say here or here at 54. So you're risking 4 points to make potentially 39.10. Yeah, I don't know. Not my cup of tea to play in as a plan trade, rather more of a scalp, but yeah. And look how aggressive they're becoming. Man, this candle, 5,000 volume on selling. This guy's not gonna let go unless he's a late seller here coming in for some reason. And I think this goes lower.
Yeah, there's a buy side imbalance on NQ at 307. I would love to see them tap that.
They just absorbed this buyer here. Send it lower, boys. Come on. I mean, it would be nice if they hit 5827.75 today on ES. That would be my next target. If you're taking any trades, and let's say you have room for a little bit of a drawdown, that's my next target, is 27.75. Why is that level important?
That's around the previous month value high.
And?
Single prints.
And? It's not single prints there. What about a VPOC on a weekly and a previous all-time high that we had? Right here. You guys remember 27.5 on RTH? It was 30 on regular. Right here. You guys remember this? Does that make sense, guys? So here you have single prints when we pumped, right? We came back, set those single prints. So that's my next target, but ultimately they might come back here. So they're gonna have to defend this here at 40 on Yes, pretty good. Hopefully it makes sense.
Already, I have single prints there from October 24th, or sorry, October 11 on Friday.
Let me check.
307 NQ.
Oh, you have access here at the bottom of 34.25. That's what I
Yeah,
have.
from 30 all the way to 20, actually.
Okay.
This was literally the same trade as yesterday. It just actually played out.
Thanks for pouring the salt right there, but yes.
Pouring
No,
salt.
I also was on the back end of that one, by the way.
Yeah, I lost. I mean, I didn't lose. I lost my gains yesterday because, I mean, like I said, I would take the same setups over, and guess what I did today?
Yeah.
And Q took that bounce at 23 instead. Fuck it.
Oh, there's actually volume at this time too. It's crazy.
Sorry, guys. This candles. There's that. So let's see what they do right here. There's the next one is sitting right here somewhere.
Shorty, do you have a spike from 53 to 50 on ES?
I think there was one. I just don't remember when. I think we had one, but that was a week ago.
Yeah, I have one from Tuesday, October 15th.
Yeah, I think we had that. Yeah. There's a big level there. You see that?
Yeah, it was a spike down on Tuesday.
Yeah.
How long should we keep those spikes and the single prints around?
I just keep it because it's in the same bracket. You know, if we lose the bracket, then I don't really care about the top and bottom single prints. But I don't know what Shorty has to say about that.
Well, if they're holding that, that's good. But still think they, holding prior week low, going below, and now you had something here called crowded low. Most likely from crowded lows, you get this little spike, right? What you got here. Now these these sellers are defending this. So if they can put in a new low, high chance of this playing out here. So, but you see, we have a lot here. 2-day, and let me draw. We're gonna delete some of the stuff on the chart.
Random
Seems
question, Shorty. Have you seen Sequence's Twitter recently?
No, why? Yeah, send it to me, a link. I don't have his Twitter.
Sure. His gone off the deep end.
Oh yeah.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah. Nice guy, but just message me if you don't mind.
Yeah.
So my SIG 2 is sitting right here at 885 on whoever asked earlier.
I just sent you it.
Yep, got it.
Basically, his entire Twitter's become UFO conspiracy theories.
You kidding or?
No, I'm being completely serious.
No.
People don't understand that aliens wouldn't come in spaceships. They would just be here.
Whether they've always been here.
Or, yeah, exactly.
Well, that's what people say. I mean, I read some stuff, but I don't go into these rabbit holes. That's great that they're here. Can they trade?
Yeah, they work at Citadel.
That's true. Yeah,
Bastards. Fucking aliens.
You ever met anyone that works at Jane Street? There you go.
If you work for Citadel and you're not a millionaire, you're retarded.
And you
Agreed.
don't love the Colombian nose candy.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, they're mostly geeks.
Yeah, I have my best friend married, let me say freely, into the money. And half of that family is related to some traders and high profile members in New York. And so my friend is Colombian. So when he goes to these family events in like New Jersey for Thanksgiving and he comes there and everybody's talking the books and he's like, man, where's the fucking coke at? Where can I party? I'm like, you can't do that, man. These people are like, you know, on another level. It's like, man, it's just fucking boring. It's like, I come there, they eat pretzels and they read books, man. I'm like,
Discipline.
yeah.
Let's go 307 in Q. Do it.
Yeah, this should be, there's the level there on ES. This should be going lower now. They're holding prior week low, right? So that's, and Apple needs to make a new low and we are gonna dump again. We are over 30% on Apple now. Did anyone grab Apple puts or are you guys just trading futures nowadays?
Yeah, I grabbed one.
Basically,
Come on. Look at that aggression. Please don't be trapped. All right, let's see.
Now I'm done for the day. Thanks very much for me.
Welcome in.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Come on, 307.
Apple's still holding the low, so I think we can catch another bounce unless they crack this.
Yeah, I just want a tiny bit lower. I'm not in anything. There's a buy side imbalance there. I want them to hit it. Probably be a good long entry.
I'm in Apple. Well, I'm sorry, I'm in ES short, but
let's go.
296.
Remember what our target is, right? You're gonna have beautiful.
307.
Apple made a new low.
Boom.
And we're hitting now 45 here. We should tap it any second, and then 39.75 should be like a vacuum where it's like, whoop, we're there. And a lot of people would freak out with that candle, and then we would tap 27.25 and bounce. That's if the interns were running this, I would expect them to follow the script.
Vacuum up that cocaine.
Yeah, there you go. You notice that he's the only guy that talks about cocaine.
Sure.
You can tell when someone doesn't do cocaine because they talk so freely about it.
Exactly. You should hear me at work. I talk so much crap and people are like, you're going to get drug tested. I'm like, that's fine.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Bro, I got 3 kids. Can't do that shit.
Exactly.
Me too.
I was talking about you guys, not me. By the way, I
Oh.
have 0 kids. I have 0 kids.
I was gonna say I have 2 kids and I need Coke.
That's why you need Coke. I'm telling you.
I see.
You guys don't like waking up this morning at 7 without screaming all night.
Still hard.
That's called sleeping in for me. All right, here's 45. They're basically doing what we asked them to do. You guys remember we said they're gonna vacuum this up a little bit quickly. As a cocaine snorter said, yep, they're gonna go here. And then we're gonna have some stuff here, bounces, and then eventually it should go here. And then if you have the initial balance, we should be visiting somewhere in this range. And somebody said most likely we have a trend day this morning, correct?
I'm pretty sure I heard that. Same
Yep,
person
so-
that vacations in Colombia.
Yeah, that guy. Yeah.
That guy.
Do you think they pump for a little to grab some liquidity and then go down?
Yeah, there's a chance from this 45. Remember, this 45 is big.
Yeah.
That's where we have these single prints from October 11th.
Yeah. I got.
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Sorry, my headphones died. I had to reconnect.
That's why I
Albert.
like wired headphones. I don't know if I've told you. I'm a big fan of wired headphones.
I will put that in my like a little diary that I take notes. That Shamu likes wired headphones.
Big fan of wireless headphones.
I will put
Yeah, I'm
that down.
surprised because like all the problems I feel like you guys are having.
Who?
Well, I had with the so this software that I had on these headphones was had firmware issues.
I see.
When they updated it, and then got some help from people on Discord.
Yeah, I don't have
just
any
see the most-
issues.
I guess that's good. I see the most problem with people being like, "Oh, this brand of headphone," or "I can't hear out of this ear." The
No, I
most-
love this headphones, man. They're
I see,
Arctics
they're
Pro. They're good, but it's just their software people. I don't know if they test it pretty well.
I'm just a wired person. Like I just recently got a wireless mouse, but I had to get a really one that had like really low latency because I can feel the lag in like Bluetooth mice, and I don't like it.
Yeah, the MX Master is the best mouse I've used so far.
Logitech Lightspeed. That's the way to go.
I was gonna get that one, but I got this one called Final Mouse, like a Final Mouse Ultralight or something. It's like a custom-made mouse that's like built to have better latency.
I have no latency with the Lightspeed.
With the Lightspeed, good. Okay, that's what my stepbrother was using, and I almost got it. So he said he felt the same way. The only mouse I found with better latency had like was like $300 more, and I was like, nah, I'm good.
All right, here it comes. This is the vacuum setup right here.
Oui, je parle français. Mais je ne pas parle français en YouTube. For anybody that's lost, somebody just DM'd me and said they're surprised that I speak French, but yes, I speak French. So I just said, yes, I speak French, but I don't speak French on YouTube. Right now at SPY, we're fighting at the third sig. They're trying to bounce it. There's a good chance we lose it. If we lose it, it's going to be a trend day down.
Could have some troubles here. I'm not gonna take any more trades here.
Yeah, I'm for sure done.
See what they do. This is a big zone here, right, on ES. Like, this is a zone if they peak about and fail, troubling. That was a prior week low. If they reclaim this, we can scalp long this all the way to about 60, 10 points. Alright guys, on that note, I'm gonna step away as this is lunch hour. I'm gonna go get some coffee. If you guys need to trade, I can hop back on around 3 p.m.
I won't be back on. It's anniversary today. Y'all have a good one.
Anniversary, bro. That bounce at 307 was golden.
Yeah, that's nice.
About 86.
Good job, Drew. Thank you guys. We'll most likely see you tomorrow. Unless we need a watch list, we can definitely meet tonight.
Okay,
Thanks, Shorty.
All right.
You guys,
Thank you, guys.
Brother. Bye.
So.
Bye, everybody. Later, YouTube land. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. Hopefully you guys learned some stuff. But yeah, I mean, if you're interested, we do this pretty much every day on Discord. But like I've mentioned before, it's not necessary as far as learning how to trade. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Much love. Peace. Bye.